Hello, my dear students. What is up? So it is raining here where I live in, and we are really enjoying this while recording from our studio. So, folks, as I've said in the previous lectures, that we are gonna now work with the Adobe, the AI thing which we have used. I already have a sample voice where I have not used any kind of microphone or specific tools. I've just recorded from the speaker of my computer, and we are now going to use the sample voice, and we are going to see how perfectly Adobe would remove all the noises, everything out here. To make things a little complicated, what I've done is that I've actually turned on all the loud things I have in my studio. For example, the fan we have and all the conditioners and the ventilators and we have here around. So to make things really difficult for the AI tool and to try out to the best of its capacity. Let's see. So I've already signed in. As you can see, I've signed in. You can just put an email and that's it. You don't need to pay even $1 for this thing. This is free for a really long time, and the limit is quite good, so we are good to go. Now go towards the left hand side to tools, and you will get the first choice. The first choice is enhance speech, and that is exactly what we want here. We need to enhance our speech. Now a simple web page is going to open, as I've already shown you. Now here's the thing, folks. The maximum duration can be 1 hour, which is really big. Maximum size can be 500 MB, the audio file. And the total daily limit is 3 hours, which is, I believe, a lot, because most podcasts are under 3 hours if you're recording a podcast thing. And if you want to see how your voice is going to be changed, like it's going to be after the edited version is provided to you, you can play this thing as well as a sample audio. But I'm not going to waste a single moment of your valuable time, my dear students, and we are going to head towards working on our stuff. So I'm uploading it. The file name is sample voice, and it is getting uploaded. So it's going to take a few seconds, probably a few minutes, because Adobe does a really fantastic job. And as I've said, I've used Adobe for a really long time now, specifically this tool. So this one's really good. All you need to do is have a little patience, grab yourself a little coffee or snack or something, and by the time you're done eating that or done with that, this thing is going to be done. So I'm going to fast forward to the moment where we have got our file after the AI has done its work. So my dear folks, welcome back again, and here we have the voice, and probably it sounds really cool. So I need to actually show you, you need to hear this thing because it's the audio sample, how this thing used to sound before the editing and after the editing, and you'll see the difference between heaven and hell. So this is what it used to sound before the editing was done, okay? This is what it was. Hello, my dear students. This is the clip to show you how this microphone thing works. So as you can see, that was really distorted with a lot of stuff, and you cannot hear what I'm saying properly unless you have put a lot of your focus and attention to my voice. Now on the other hand, when we have edited that stuff, which actually you can see it is the enhanced version, now you can see how it actually sounds. And I completely think that Adobe will help us with this one. Did you see that? Actually, I'm sorry. Did you hear that? That was crazy insane. Why is that? Because Adobe is a fantastic, specifically this Adobe Podcast Beta. This is a fantastic tool. You can download this, you can upload another video and do it for all day long, just like that. So folks, just remember one simple thing. The size of your audio file will actually cause a lot of things to happen. Because if you have a file of like 400 MB, probably it's going to take 30-40 minutes. Because I had literally like 1 MB size of file, it was done in a few seconds, as you know. That was it from this lecture. In the next lecture, you have to do something for me. We'll see you there. Thank you.